Hey everybody, it's Steve from Open BOM, and I'm here to show you a nice new little feature we have around exporting zip files. Got a lot on the screen, so just kind of stick with me. I built a BOM out of CAD, and I sent a lot of CAD files over to my bill of material, and we all know how that works. So let's take a little closer look at the BOM. We can see here that I've got some CAD files that are linked to the items that are in my BOM. And the export feature that we've had for quite some time has always been cool. It will export the BOM with all the files in it. However, up until this release just now, we didn't export any files associated with the top level. And now we do. So here you can see that I've got some PDFs and some assembly files and stuff associated with this top level BOM. So now when I export and I choose to send all those files to my zip file, I will end up with a nice zip file that contains the spreadsheet, the XLS of the BOM, as well as all the linked files that we've had before, and now the files from the top level. So that's a nice new feature. I know we listen to everybody. So now you will get all the associated files for the items in the BOM, as well as any files associated with the BOM itself. So that's in the November 2023 release. So enjoy.